In this video, I'll show you how to add Mendeley Cite in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, open up Word and select the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. Then navigate to Add-ins. For this video, I'm using Office 365. Select this once. In this drop-down menu, we're going to search for Mendeley. It will appear as Mendeley Cite and it will look like this. Simply click Add. Give it time to install the add-on, and once it's ready, a sidebar will appear, and when you click References at the top of the ribbon, Mendeley Cite will appear on the far right. Make sure to go through all the instructions it provides before you start using it. Please bear in mind that you need an official license for Microsoft 365 to find add-ins and use them, so make sure you're signed in at the top. If for some reason you can't find add-ins and you do have a license for Office 365 and you're signed in, we can use another way. To install the add-in manually, we need to go to the Microsoft Marketplace. I'll put a link to this page in the description below. Once you get here, we simply need to click Get It Now. It will then start to figure out what it needs to do next, and then you will need to make sure that on the computer you're downloading it on, that you have the license for Microsoft Office 365. It even tells you that it will work on an iPad, Word 2016 and later versions. So don't worry. Once you're happy, simply click Open in Word. Then click Open in Word again on the pop-up window. Give it time to work itself out. And as before, there's a side menu that appears. Click Accept and Continue and click Got It. And then remove any advertisements that come with it. And in this case, if we go to References at the top of the ribbon, we can also see the Mendeley Cite button appear again. If you can't install add-ins, it could be because your organization that has given you the license for Office 365 has disabled this. So you may need to speak to your administrator to allow you to install Mendeley Cite. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about adding citation tools and referencing software to Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.